Welcome to Amazon Reviews. Top 11 Smart Electric Fireplace in 2024. Relaxing fireplace for stress relief, sleep, relax ultimate buying guide. Top 1. Dimplex IgniteXL 60-inch built-in linear electric fireplace with driftwood and river rock accessories, black, XLF60 and LF74 DWS kit. About this item. Premium year-round fireplace. Bundle includes the electric fireplace and driftwood log kit. Complement your home with this visually stunning, sleek wall-mounted electric fireplace with its multiple colored lighting effects. Remarkable multi-fire XD technology. With Dimplex's exclusive XD fire technology, the flames almost pop out of the screen and give a lifelike feel to every flame as they bounce around the room. Heats up to 1,000 square feet. The Dimplex IgniteXL modern linear electric fireplace is powerful and offers heat for up to 1,000 square feet and provides 5,118 BTUs of heat. Easy installation options: easily mount to a wall, mount not included, or feel free to fully recess it into the wall. Hardwired installation: 120V or 240V required for proper installation. 240V will provide best heat output. Product specs: 60.25 inches WX 16 inches HX 6 inches D, 95 pounds. Feel free to change the temperature, flame color, and power with the included multi-function remote control. Top 2. SIMPLIFIRE Allusion Platinum 72 inches linear electric fireplace, black, SFALLP 72BK. About this item. Creating an elegant focal point in your home has never been easier. Designed with comfort and ambience in mind, the Allusion Platinum provides an impressive 15 inches viewing area within a minimal frame. Make your home a unique reflection of you with a dazzling upscale linear electric fireplace. The Allusion Platinum modern electric wall fireplace is the perfect statement piece for your home. From a large 15 inches viewing area with minimal frame, personalize your LED fireplace ember bed material, fame, and color lighting themes. Flexible installation allows for indoor fireplace use as in wall recessed into 2x6 framing for a flush, up-the-edge built-in look, or as a wall-mounted fireplace with the wall-mount fireplace electric kit, sold separately. See brochure, owner's manual/install guide and watch our videos to learn more about SIMPLIFIRE electric fireplaces. Operate with ease using the convenient multi-function remote or the touch controls on the front of the digital fireplace to simply adjust flame, thermostat, timer, ember bed colors and more. Quickly warm up your room with heat comparable to a freestanding space heater with up to 5,000 BTUs on low, 750W, or high, 1500W. Available in 50 inches. 60 inches and 72-inch wide linear options. Choose between the included ceramic white stones or clear crystal media, remote, 2x AAA batteries included, and backed by our 2-year warranty. The Allusion plug-in fireplace is equipped with a GFCI power cord or powered by hardwiring to an electric source. Visit our brand store to see why SIMPLIFIRE is a name you can trust and how we make fire simple. Top 3. Modern Flames Landscape Series Pro Slim Built-in Electric Fireplace, LPS 8014, 80-inch. About this item. Premium electric fireplace for built-in applications. Frameless design offers edge-to-edge viewing. Hybrid FX flame technology, high-intensity LED lighting, and an active ember bed combine to create a lively fire presentation. Integrated heater heats up to 5,000 British thermal units per hour. Variable heat and flame can operate independent from each other. Overall dimensions: 80.25 x 5.5 x 23.75 inches, WXDXH. Weight: 175 pounds. Top 4. Amantii electric fireplace insert with black surround overlay, INSFM 34-inch. About this item: indoor electronic fireplace insert. Flush mount built-in design. Includes 4,800 British thermal units heater and blower for zone heating of up to 500 square feet. Gradient flame design for enhanced realism. Face size: 27.625 x 17.375 inches, width x height. Overall size: 42 x 10.125 x 30 inches, width x depth x height. Top 5. Masarflame 60 inches recessed electric fireplace insert, 5 flame settings, log set or crystal options, temperature control by touch panel and remote, 750/1500 W heater. About this item: in-wall installation, 60 inches LX 21.65 inches HX 5.5 W, perfectly fit for 2x6 inches wall. Comes with easy-to-follow user manual. Ideal for home, office or anywhere heat and ambience is needed, 5100 BTUS. Uses 110 V. Just plug in and enjoy. Multi-operating modes: ultra-high-intensity LED light reflect to the realistic log faux logs or crystals by your choice. 3-color flame burning with 5 flame intensity. 1 to 9 hours timer control. Also can be operated without heat during the whole year. Thermostat and energy savings: front heater blower, 750W and 1500W modes can be adjusted accordingly for both warm and energy saving purpose. Temperature can be controlled from 62 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. The supplemental zone heating is for up to 400 square feet. Flexible control: both heat and flame settings can be operated through a remote control and a touch control panel with LCD display screen, also 1 to 9 hours timer, power switch and thermostat control. Safety and customer service: auto heat kill safety protection include to avoid the superheating. 1-year warranty. Feel free to contact us whenever you have questions. Satisfied solutions would be provided. Order now and give your sweet home a new decoration. Top 6. Touchstone Sideline Infinity 3-sided smart 50-inch Wi-Fi enabled electric fireplace, 80,045, built-in, 60 color combinations, 1500-750 a SWAT heater, 68-88 degrees Fahrenheit thermostat, black, log and crystals. About this item: 3-sided fireplace with see-through glass on the front and sides, 50-inch model. 4 installation options: 3 glass sides, left side visible, right side visible or front only visible. 2 heat settings, low and high, 750W/1500W, with thermometer, 68-88 degrees Fahrenheit, or constant on. 6 flame color options and 10 media bed color options. 5 flame and media bed light intensity settings. 3 flame speeds and timer up to 8 hours. Can be plugged in or hardwired, Wi-Fi enabled, smartphone compatibility. Turn on or off by using Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Includes log set, clear and black crystals, touchscreen and remote control. Top 7. Amantii Symmetry Series Bespoke 74-inch built-in electric fireplace with remote, SIM 74 Bespoke, Birch log media. About this item: slim frame with lifelike LED flames for exceptional firebox display. Impressive heater and whisper quiet fan for increased comfort. Unit can also be operated without heat for year-round use, approved for both indoor and outdoor installation. Premium audio system for realistic crackling sound. Audio can be turned on or off as needed. This unit includes a thermostatic remote control for added convenience. Top 8. Lightyear Latitude 55 inches Smart Built-in Linear Electric Fireplace with Fire Crackling Sounds. Smart Fireplace App Wi-Fi Enabled, ZEF55V, Black. About this item: new GTX VIW technology with HD LED screen create a unique lifelike flame. Fire crackling sounds and sparkles, adjustable volume. Adjustable flame color for year-round enjoy with O-heater. 5 signature unique flame colors. New Smart Homes Fireplace app by Wi-Fi enabled. Front trim access for easy maintenance. Overheat protection for safety. Vent-free space heater and easy install fireplace in any space. Dimension, W561/4XH19XT8, ETL and CETL certified. Top 9. Touchstone Smart Electric Fireplace. The Sideline 36-inch wide and wall recessed 30 realistic amber color flame options. 1500W heater with thermostat black log and crystal hearth options. Alexa Wi-Fi enabled. About this item: appearance: the Sideline electric fireplace is designed for recessed and wall mounting, creating a cozy atmosphere of a traditional fireplace. This electronic fireplace has realistic flames with a real fire look. The Sideline's 5 flame settings radiate a soft ember glow up to an intense blaze. Sideline gives you the total package. Control the heat and flame with the remote control. Designed to use one log or crystal, if you prefer you can mix both safely. Installation: this Sideline installs simply and can safely be attached to framing studs. The sides and back of the unit remain cool to the touch with the heat feature on. Recommended minimum of 8 inches of space between the top of the fireplace and your TV, mantle, picture ceiling. The Sideline can be installed in existing fireplace openings safely. Consult with a licensed professional to ensure your unused gas lines and vents are secured properly. The Sideline fireplace is ventless. Operation: the Sideline's heater will take the edge off a cool room or basement, and it can be run with no heat, just flames, in warmer climates. The Sideline comes with a 6-foot power cord for a 110-120V outlet. It is also hardwire ready for in-wall install. The unit draws a max of 12 amps, so the fireplace can be used on a 15-amp circuit. A 20-amp circuit may be necessary, depending on the use of other electronics on that same electric circuit. Features: the Sideline features an unmatched flame. Friends will be nervous to touch realistic flame behind the glass. The Sideline includes faux fire logs and crystals to create an authentic feel, as well as an IR remote controlling flame color and intensity, the heater and shut-off timer. Front-facing heater vents allow you to position the Sideline just 8 inches under a flat-screen TV. The Sideline can be hardwired or plugged into your electric source. What you need to know: 1. We recommend 8 inches of space between your fireplace and TV. 2. The Sideline pulls a max of 12 amps. 3. The fireplace includes a wall mount bracket, if you don't recess it. 4. You can install the sideline in an existing fireplace opening. It stays cool to the touch on the sides and back and is ventless. You can use the sideline with just the flame and no heat. 5. The heater will help to warm up a cool room but won't replace a primary heat source. Alexa Wi-Fi enabled. Control the Sideline 50 electric fireplace from your lounge chair using the included remote control, Alexa or Google Home device or smart mobile app. Connect it to compatible smart home devices through the app for added convenience. Discover more about setting up the Wi-Fi features. The wireless remote control requires AAA batteries. Top 10. Vitesse 60-inch ultra-thin electric fireplace and wall recessed and wall-mounted fireplace heater, linear fireplace with multicolor flame, timer, low noise, 751,500 W, touchscreen and remote control, 60. About this item. Multi-install methods. This electric fireplace not only can be recessed or semi-recessed in wall, but also can be wall-mounted, perfect fit for 2 feet x 6 feet stud wall. Product size 60 inches WX 18.11 HX 3.86D. The thickness of the upgraded electric fireplace is reduced to 3.86 inch and won't be obtrusive on the wall. It can be installed in the living room or bedroom, but it needs to be kept away from other appliances. Energy savings. 750W and 1500W modes can be adjusted accordingly for both warm and energy-saving purpose. The supplemental zone heating is for up to 400 square feet. ETL certificate approved. It also has auto heat kill safety to avoid the superheating. The heat is good for maintaining the natural humidity within the air without making the room too dry. Perfect flames. Full spectrum LED colors for a unique ember bed display. 12 flame colors, 5 flame speeds, 12 ember bed color lighting options. Ultra high intensity LED lights with large display allows the flame to show burn high enough. Flames emerge slowly from the source and then get pulled to the top of the fireplace where they flash in the heat of the top of the fireplace. Multi-functions. Remote and touch screen make it more convenient to control every function of electric fireplace. Power switch, 1 to 8 hours timer control, independent switch of heating and flame, adjustable flame color and speed, sleep mode function, mode function. Top 11. Top 11. Turbo Eternal Flame 26-inch infrared quartz electric fireplace log heater, realistic lemonwood logs, adjustable flame colors, remote control, thermostat, timer, EF26LG, 1500W. About this item. Upgraded infrared heating, with an added infrared quartz tube. This 1500W zone heater can heat up a room more effectively than typical fan-forced heaters, providing cozy warmth without drying out your skin or the room, which leads to static electricity. Multiple flame effects. Unlike other simple electric log sets, the EF26LG provides 5 flame options and 5 brightness levels to fit any occasion. The unique breathing mode gently lights the ember bed without a bright, flickering flame that can disturb your sleep. Eco-friendly comfort. Instead of cranking up your furnace thermostat, you can use the Eternal Flame fireplace insert as a cost-effective additional heater to keep you toasty in winter. You can also use the flame-only option to enjoy realistic flames year-round without extra heating. Easy to use, no installation is needed, just plug it in and place it anywhere you like. Use the remote control and the simplified control panel to adjust the temperature and flame output while enjoying the perfect ambience in the room. Reliable safety protection, automatically shuts the heater off when it gets too hot. Also built in a safety fuse to protect from overload heat. The Turbo Suburbs heater is CSA certified to be safe for use in North America. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.